You know Python function, you know Django. In this video, I'm going to explain about this. Okay guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm Moses from Learn Python. You're welcome. I have met with people who knows Python, but they don't know Django, right? They know how to write a good Python function, but at the same time they say they don't know how to code in Django. In short, Django View is the heart of Django web framework. Django View is nothing but a Python function that takes request, process, and returns response. After this understanding, now you can see that it is easier for you to start coding in Django if you know how to write a good Python function. What are you waiting? Get started today. Actually, this is an end of our today's session on how you can start to code in Django if you know to write a good Python function. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe in order to be updated once we upload a new video. But also, if you want to get started in Django, make sure you check out the tutorial of Django on my channel. Thank you. I hope to see you in the next session.